Good morning students. We are going to do the activity numbers counting. Are you ready students? Okay. I will call your name and you come forward me. Take your number card and show the number card and take the stick, count the stick and put in the hole. Okay. Do it students. Thank you.
Take your number card. Very good. Do it. Very good. Rajesh, come. Take your number card. What is your number? Very good. Do it. Very good. What is your number? Very good. Meet, come. Take your number card. What is your number? Do it. What is your number? Very good. Varsha, come. Take your number card. Do it. What is your number? Very good. Adidev, come. Take your number card. What is your number? Very good. Do it. Very good. Very good. Clap for Adidev. Mitran, come. Take your number card. What is your number? Very good. Take stick. Very good. Clap for Mitran. Sabaris, come. Take your number card. What is your number? Very good. Very good. Do it.